Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is In the Palm of Your Hands, Greatest Hits Volume 2. I also have my 400th subscriber giveaway, big one going away. And I just announced in the mystery bundle that I unboxed for the FabFitFun Fall Editors box, I put a giveaway in that as well. There's links in the description box down below that'll take you to all my different giveaways. So today is the FabFitFun Fall Editors box. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It ships out every quarter. In between those quarters, they have what they call their editors box, where the editors go in, put some of their favorite items in a box, and you could purchase that separately from your annual or quarterly subscription. And it's $49 for that, and so that's what I did. And then they also have an add-on sale where you can add on products for up to 80% off. That you can also do a mystery bundle, and so I purchased the mystery bundle and I just unboxed that, and I will put a link for that video in the description box down below. I also picked up the Mope Petty Perfect Electronic Nail Care System. It's a file, buffer, and shine for your nails. And I have the one that's the Mori, it was almost like the pumice stone that spins, and I really like that. So I thought I'd give this one a try, because you know, for doing at-home pedicure, I thought that'd be perfect for that. So let's dive into here and see what we got. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you would like to check them out. It'll get you $10 off your first box, and I will put that link in the description box down below as well. It helps you out and helps me out a little bit too. So it always comes with a magazine. Has cute little articles. I've been loving this scarf that came in the regular fall box. Love it. And it says, a note from us at FabFitFun. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top rated brands and products, most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. XOXO FabFitFun. And then this side talks about all the different products, and you're not going to get every single one of these. I think you should be getting 8 of them. And then all the products are neatly wrapped in the box. So the first product is actually a Kate Spade product. It is a lunch tote. And here's what this looks like. It says Kate Spade here. Excuse me. It says out to lunch here. Here is your Kate Spade tag. Has a gold zipper, little handle here, and then there's what the inside looks like. Super cute. So this lunch tote is ditch the paper bag and opt for this cute little lunch box, which to keep your food cool all day retails for $30. So you could have gotten the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, the Kate Spade Lunchbox, Olive and Peak, Lola Scarf and Charcoal, or the Luxie Face Complexion Set. And you don't get to choose these. These the editors choose for you. And so I got the Kate Spade. In the regular subscription box, you do get to choose your a bunch of your own items. Like because I'm an annual member, so I kind of get more choices. I think I get 5 out of the 8 choices. If you are where you pay for it quarterly, then you can choose 3 out of the 8. This next one, is a really good size. Skinvolve Body Boost Gel. It is gel, stimulant, tone firm, smooth, pre-workout activator. So it's formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas and keeps you visibly smooth and toned. This retails for $45. Is 5 fluid ounces. I wonder if it would help, like, kind of like this looking, kind of cellulite looking a little bit. If you have tried this, let me know, because yeah, I've got my brother's wedding coming up, and anything that I can do to kind of look more toned would be awesome. The other items that you could have gotten are the Serapini Botanicals Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette, an understated leather embellished wooden brush with velvet pouch and blush. The Citrus by Sam Edamine, was a wallet, or the Skinvolve Body Gel. I think I am glad I got this one. The third thing that I got was the APTO Skincare, a mist set in Tumeric and Pomegranate. I did get this in a past box, so I'm going to set this aside in one of my giveaways. I've already started putting stuff aside for my 500 subscriber giveaway, so help us get there. This is Spritz and Fritz Freshen Up on the Go with a healing herbal mist that keeps skin soft and dewy. Retails for $20. There is 2 mists in here. You do have your turmeric mist, and then you also have the pomegranate one. So both of these will be going in an upcoming giveaway. So you could have gotten a Milk Makeup Holographic Stick in Mars, a Cubic Zirconian by Kenneth J. Lane round bezel necklace, or the APTO Skincare. I think that I would have liked either one of the other ones better. If anybody at FabFitFun's kind of listening, that's what I would have liked better. Number 4, and reason I say that is because I've already gotten this, and so give us something else that we didn't already get. That's just my little opinion. Number 4 item is the Cosmetic Pure C Vitamin C Mineral Crystals. I have a mask from Cosmedix that I am loving that I got in a Cosbox. This is Pure C. Nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime masks and serums for a brightening serum. This retails for $54. Super stoked about this. You could have either gotten the IGK, the IGK Expensive Almond Oil High Shine Top Coat, the Maj Sports Trigger Point Ball, the Cosmetics Pure C, or This Works Sleep Together Calming Spray, or the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I have tried the Touch and Soul Primer, loved it. I do have that Maj Sports Ball already. I do already have This Works Sleep Together Calming Spray, love that. Put a little spritz on your pillow before you go to bed, knock you right out. And so I am super stoked about this. I can't wait to try this. Oh, I'm sorry, I do apologize. The This Works and the Touch and Soul Primer is part of the 5th choice, where you could have gotten either the This Works Spray, the Touch and Soul Primer, or the Harper Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. These smell, and I did already get these in a past box. I love using sugar scrubs for my body. These smell like Airheads, like the Airheads candies is what these kind of remind me of. So since I already have these, I am going to be putting this one in a giveaway. It's Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. Delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Retails for $16. And I find that when I do one of these scrubs, I don't even use a full one of these. I only use like a partial, so I'm not even through the ones that I already have. So be looking for this in an upcoming giveaway. So the next 3 items everybody got. The first one, I actually did today have these. I went to my soon-to-be sister-in-law's bridal shower, so I have had these in the past. I don't think it was FabFitFun. I think I got it in a different subscription. Anyway, it is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They did an amazing job. These are retail for $25, and it's a baggage claim eye mask. You get 6 of them. The eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. Love this. Oh, you guys, I don't like this. It doesn't work for my skin. I had a sample one, put it in a giveaway because I knew I couldn't use it. It is the Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. It's got really finely milled walnuts and the walnut shells, and it's supposed to exfoliate your skin, and that's great, but I have pretty sensitive skin and it irritates it, and I can't do this. So this is the cleanser, features pumpkin to infuse the skin with AHA, zinc, and vitamins A and C, while walnut powder, because you know they grind it up into a powder basically, gently exfoliates to reveal a fresh glow. Retails for $28. This I will be passing along. And lastly, by Whish Beauty is a blue matcha restoring mask. Let the benefits of blue matcha help remove impurities from the skin while offering an intense anti-aging treatment. Retails for $58. I do a masking review series here on this mask. Here on this channel, and so be on the lookout for this in an upcoming masking review where I try on different masks and let you know what I think. Here is what this looks like. It has a really slight, it smells like a spa. And here's what this looks like. I can't wait to try this one out. So it was a pretty good box. Some of the items I would have definitely picked if I had the choice between picking items. Other ones, not so much. I'm super excited about the vitamin C and that body boost gel. I think are the 2 items that I'm super stoked about. What were your guys' favorite things? What did you think? Did you like this? If you guys get this box, did you get the same stuff? Did you get something different? Let me know all the tea in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.